It's a pleasure to grace your screens again with the final lesson of this bag. I have already shared the first two in separate videos because of the complexity of the lesson. I will link those videos in the description area for your reference. So in the first two lessons, we made the wings of the bag, and I asked that off camera you continue with the size. I remember giving you the dimension to be 3 by 27. So I'll pick one of the mats and then count from the right and enter the fourth bead. So I'll go through the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth bead. Those beads, they look like an arc, a small C. So those are the beads that I'm going to work in. After going through those three beads, I'll put one bead on the left line, one on the right, and then cross in the last one to make it 6. So I'll continue with chains of 4. I'll put one bead on the left, one on the right, and then knot in the fourth bead. I will do that until I get my desired length. Remember, we are making the handle, so I will not limit you. You can go as far as your beads can reach or as much as you want. As a guide, after the ring of 6, I made about 5 rings of 4 before I turned. So to turn, I'll pick 3 beads and put all 3 on the right line. Then from there, I'll put one on the left, one on the right, and then cross in the fourth one. So after the 10th ring here, I would turn to the left again. So I will pick 3 beads and put all 3 on the right line. I am going to weave down, but the left part of the handle is going to be my guide. What I did there, I am going to repeat the same thing here. I will now put a bead on the left line and insert it on those 3 beads, the opposite of where we started. That is where we are now. So I have passed the line through those 3 beads. So I now have 5 beads. So I'll add 1 to it to get 6. So I am going to weave through the rest of the mat to secure the fishing line. I realized afterwards that the handle was too light, so I doubled it. Alternatively, you can weave the handle before you attach it to the body of the bag. Let me say that personally, I don't like making bag handles with sugar beads, especially the square ones, because they give a discomfort. So I went ahead to make other ones with a chain and then also with a metallic handle. So you can try those ones as well. It's time to now put the mat together. I'll begin with 1/2 of the semicircle, then the sides. So I'll pick a bead with a new line and then go through 1 of the half, the first bead on each of the halves. So I'll go through with their corresponding fish line. If it's left, I'll go through the left and then the right. Then I'll add 1 bead. I'll go through the next, left and right, and add a bead. So that is how I am going to complete the rest of the mat. I want to say a big akwaba to you if today is your first time here, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say Ayuko, I appreciate your love so far. I am grateful to you for liking, for commenting, and also for sharing for others to also learn. So the same way I joined the other half, I am also going to put these together. So ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the 3 different ways that I have made this beautiful piece. So with this one, I decided to give it a chain. Yeah, so the handle is made of a chain. And to add a little touch of beauty and color, I made some bead balls. And I made ahoma eshemu so you can tie to secure your belongings, though it will come with a small pouch, a sackcloth. I have that in, but I added this to give it a kind of new look. And also with this, I decided to give it a metal handle, a metallic handle. So I have it at both sides. I am looking forward to your works as well. I want to see how you are going to style this bag in different ways. I am yearning, I am super yearning to see what you can also do. Until I come your way with another lesson, beloved, keep hope alive. Bye bye.